In order for an application to place deviations outside the structure, they must be drawn with a closed polyline. At the actual position you can use points, co-go points or blocks located on the same layer. The application itself will distribute them to the lower and upper ones according to the attitude. The application simultaneously controls three parameters: deviation in the lower section, in the upper section and verticality. So you can choose which of the parameters to assign. First, we specify the samples of objects and then the general choice. The application calculates and assigns deviations perpendicular to the constructions, which in turn can have arc segments. For better readability, the attributes use hiding the backgrounds. Also, the created blocks are annotative.